used it very usefully during my long trip to Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and Taiwan because it automatically connected to each country I visited as if it were my own country without changing SIM cards, and the period of use was long. I plan to use it again on my next trip. I have not encountered any problems using the eSIM in Taiwan and Hong Kong. It is also very easy to install. The only drawback is that if you want to use it in Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan, you need to upload your passport. The eSIM is very easy to use. I thought 2 GB per day was not enough, but it was. I used it in Cambodia and Vietnam. I didn't have any problem at all connecting to the internet. So worth it. I was able to use it smoothly as soon as I arrived at the airport. Scan QR code and it will automatically set up. But it needs to provide passport details and you want to use it at Taiwan. This eSIM covers lots of different regions. For me, it fits my needs because I traveled through Chinese mainland, Taiwan and Hong Kong. It was working very well. I had a good time drinking without any hesitation and enjoyed the country called Cambodia. During my trip to Thailand and Vietnam, the Southeast Asia cover was automatically installed, so I used it without replacement. The speed is good too. Worked well in both Taiwan and Singapore. Recommended for multi-cities trip. It was cheap and convenient, so I was satisfied throughout my trip. The internet is slow due to the local Indonesian telecommunications company. I like it. I used it well. Since the itinerary was to transit through Vietnam, it was very useful. Recognizes the ID card in Korea without any special settings and can be easily used in Vietnam and Bali by rebooting each. Speed and coverage good. The price is low and it is convenient to use. Highly recommended. It was a little challenging for me to set up as a first-timer. But I bite the bullet and asked for help in the SoftBank counter in Kansai Airport and paid 500 yen consultation fee. The SoftBank woman made changes in 1 or 2 buttons and eSIM works perfectly. I took a screenshot of the settings so I will know what to do next time.